Hey YouTube guys, my name is James, so welcome back to on my YouTube channel. So today guys, we're gonna do a unboxing on my new USB unboxing. So this today my package came out today. I'm gonna show you with my package right now and my desk, and this is my package right here. I'm gonna show you this in my package, and I'm gonna open this right now, and I bought this from eBay, China. My packages came from China because it came from Hong Kong. So yeah, and I'm gonna open this package right now from my package from Hong Kong. Came from China, the website that I bought, and we're gonna show you guys right here right now. I'm sorry about this on my big microphone, and we're gonna open here right now. And we're gonna open this package right now. It came from Hong Kong, from the USB 3.0. It cost me $3 for this. It's so cheap from Hong Kong, and yeah. And this is the USB right now. Wanna looking at this is 3.0 USB right here. Four of them. You cannot see because I have a blue screen on my back. So, and this hard drive for my Xbox One hard drive is for the old my laptop, and it costs you. I have 20 gig 50, and also this one 20 gig 50. I think 20 gig 50. It's worked for my Xbox One as well. I already tested before, and we're gonna. This is a USB 2.0 that I bought, 25 bucks right here, and for eBay. I mean Hong Kong, from cheaper one, and we're gonna test that one from now on. We're gonna put right here first, right here. We're gonna put in that for the USB. That's it. And soon we guys, I'm gonna buy more USB for my hard drive, two of them. I'm gonna get the big hard drive to 1 gigabyte, and also 4 gigabyte on a hard drive. It's on somewhere from China, on Hong Kong. So yeah, and